Greetings, Earthlings, and we are back and we are trying a new crochet kit. So this is a crochet kit with crochet designer Sarah Abbondio. She actually came out with a crochet kit that includes 2 animals that you can crochet in here, and then there's 2 bonus patterns. So she has a couple of books already of mini crochet critters, and I will say it's adorable. So let me get this opened up, show you what comes with it, and then maybe we'll make some cute little things. So, woohoo. All right, here is what we have inside. We have a Hello crochet hook. Okay, this is a 2.5 millimeter. I've never heard of this brand, so we're gonna test out this hook. We have in here some orange yarn. Ooh, this is pretty soft. Okay, I'll have to look more into this yarn. We have our bits and bobs in here. So there's eyes in here. There's our little pieces of yarn. We got stitch markers. We got a needle. We've got some gray yarn in here. And they gave us a decent amount of stuffing, which is great because sometimes you'll get kits and they don't have enough stuffing. So that's awesome. And then in here, we also have more about her Amigurumi ones. Wait, I'm missing one of these books. I don't have the Zodiac one. I'm gonna have to find that one. But I believe I have her birds, animals, ocean, and woodland one. So I'll find the Zodiac one and I'll get that one for myself. But in here, this is to make the octopus and the elephant. And then they include further instructions for a peacock and a turtle. So I will say her instructions seem very, very nice. I like how quick and easy this book is to read. So do I want to make an octopus or do I want to make an elephant first? I don't know. I'll decide.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. We're making we're making a, what are you? You're an octopus. So we're going to start with the octopus. All right. Our little octopus is done. It is time to make the elephant that came with the kit, and then I'll give my final thoughts. Wait, here's a cat. Hey. Say hi. Okay. Chester. Oh no.
All right, so I'm just gonna give you my thoughts while I work on the elephant. One, I do really like these instructions. One thing I will say is they are written in British terms, so some of the abbreviations are different than what I see normally, but that was quickly noticed, and I didn't have any problems because I always make sure I double check what they have for the terminology in the front so I can confirm whether it's British or English. So that wasn't a problem at all. Do I think this is a kit for a beginner if they do not know how to crochet and they have never crocheted before? Absolutely not. I think this is definitely a kit that is for more advanced. One, you have a small hook. So this is only a 2.5 millimeter hook. And I will say, I do really like this hook. I will be keeping this hook whenever I am done with this kit because this hook is very nice and I'm enjoying using it. To the yarn frays a bit, as it's just a couple of strands that are tied together. I'm wondering if this is, and I'm trying to double check, I'm not very good at checking this normally. If this is an S-twist yarn, I would have no problems. I am left-handed, so with S-twist yarn, they don't unravel. But if this is a Z-twist yarn, which is better for most crocheters, that would explain why I am having problems because I am the opposite of most crocheters. But I will say I do really, really like this yarn. I really like how cute my little octopus is. I mean, look at how adorable he is. And the elephant is going to be just the same. So let me finish putting this elephant together and then we will come back and I will show you the final result. Here comes my little elephant. I have now finished the elephant that came with it and I have finished the octopus. There are 2 other patterns that are included in here. We have as well, besides these 2 where they give you all the materials for it, we have this peacock and we have a turtle. So if you want to see me create both this turtle and this peacock, let me know down in the comments below and I will be happy to do so. That being said, I definitely think that these are super stinking cute. If you are a new beginner, do not do this. They literally just give you a written pattern and say go. You also have to figure out that this is British terms, not US terms. I did like the hook with it though, and you could tell who picked out the yarn was a crocheter. So definitely enjoyed this one. Had a lot of fun doing it, and I'm so happy with how cute these are. And I will definitely be making more of these because they're so freaking tiny and I love it. I love it so much. Let me know what some of your favorite crochet kits are down below, and I will talk to you all soon.